What if I told you the biggest barrier isn't the mountain ahead, but the first step you haven't taken? That paralyzing fear of beginning. It's like standing at the edge of a vast, inviting ocean, knowing there's treasure beyond, yet never dipping a single toe in. We get lost in the endless what-ifs, drowning in uncertainty, convinced failure is inevitable before we even dare to try. But every towering skyscraper began with a single brick, every epic journey with one, often uncertain step. Just going. So what dream are you holding hostage because you're waiting for perfect conditions or some surge of magical courage? Remember learning to ride a bike? You fell, scraped your knees, but you got back on, right? That first wobbly push was absolutely everything. Progress isn't about flawless giant leaps. It's about consistent, often messy, micro-actions. Day after day. Just keep moving. Don't wait for permission or sudden inspiration. Take a small, uncomfortable, yet powerful first step right now towards whatever calls you. Your unique journey, your personal gift, isn't just for you. It's a profound ripple effect waiting to inspire everyone around you. The future isn't a place you arrive at. It's a vibrant reality you courageously build, one brave step at a time. Go build it.